The double knock tactic really has two roles, and that is one, to protect the glyphosate molecule so it's not overused, and secondly is that we control any survivors from that first glyphosate application. With double knock, you're really taking a zero tolerance on resistant weeds setting seed and surviving through firstly the knockdown phase. So we're using two different knockdown herbicides to control the same weeds. And the key point with that is to protect the life of glyphosate. Glyphosate's used really heavily in, no-till systems. So if it sort of starts to fall over, then we put at risk the productivity that we've achieved with our farming systems in recent years. So a second mode of action is paraquat, which is applied anywhere from 4 to 7 days following the glyphosate. So that's the premise of it, the two modes of action aiming to sort of control any weeds that might not have been controlled with the first application of glyphosate is then picked up with the paraquat. So that is then complemented with all the other tactics that we know with crop competition, orientation of sowing, row spacing, and then finally the harvest weed seed control. So you're really hitting the weeds at every angle, so they don't have the ability to firstly compete with the crop, but secondly they don't set seed. So it's the whole numbers game in weed management and using all the tactics that you have available. Herbicides do dominate the weed control options, but if we can add all these other non-herbicide tactics in to sort of minimise the pressure, it actually prolongs the life of the herbicide. So the herbicides actually stay, particularly we're talking about glyphosate here as the key product today, prolonging its life. So we can do that with implementing these other strategies